It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo Akwaba. Afitu Milika Neshia Yen, our Facebook on Swa. DLFM 106.9. Na yemfa kasebono enchiremu emfa ensomo. Yensha kasebona se emfemfre asante matenum. Na kusase hino no ewa asante matemo. Ne den Ede Abdul Malik Asempe. Ohine nipa bonfo bed na tente etime atutuo ede abono. Ewo no ankasa ne fia ewa asanwase. Awa asante matemo agene nkwa ede afri ne nsem. Na nkrabato de yakase bopono so echiremi se. Arahosem wei esiye ewendra nadwo. Eye ebenada kita wonsa bosuma yewunda toso aduonu mienu. Emfimpi mienu ne aduonu enumu ewo no ankasa ne fia eno no ewa asanwase a eno no eben F line ewo community eye center honom ewo asante matenum na dansefo hu de esi anyada ebo nchiremu no wo kiremi se ohun se nimpa mienu eti motorbike so emra na abo animre no nwotwe agbapa ho sema aduanan mekire 8:40 pm na nipa wo maden ekita eye AK47 rifle yi bi etumi hwe na nadi mudin sa etutu edi bo na mekese ne nkwa wanom etimi agene nkwa da firi se kan kiremi se nipa bova mwade atumi atopia afagyan mekese yehu bebia wondo mani etimi akire na azambe ono ye ohene omusi no ohene so no so onkoye kadi eye naba ehene no beya bosome mako miensa pani na ohene nipa bi age ne nkwa edefe ne nsem na mra turu kan omo mwade pagya no ede ne kopie mo manhia district hospital seja omo akoboa manka ne nkwa etimi aka ne nsa nanso omudu opera mo kirem se dabi de ade no in fact ano aye de omo mwade afa ne kofie mu em ewa konfana chokodo opera doctor ka kire mo se dabi de do nana enya de obetumi aba enkom bia meka se na mu na okopie mu ewo eye kadi divisional area chief a meka se no papai na koyo hene so ewo eye Binduli district ewo upper east matanu ma meka se ni pa bonfo de na tenta na nkwa wanom etimi age ede friend nsem na meka se de eye Ashanti Regional Police Command DCOP Emmanuel Taikudwo ebo made akwa abusuafo aka kire wo mo se omaka omakoma emfanto wonim ye mfise mbomade aboa amatentene etimi akonka de mabusu wasaka se kirem se omamade ahwehwem aboa se be nipa bonfo mbomade ekotutu ku papai no obetuma che omemra etimi ene wonom ede wona ho se me fra sentiment mabadi e kase ba wiai yade mo kirem ede esomo
yanto akase eboni sunu engina mu ewo nkran pipni mantema na Ghana Police Service ede abetudwa echemu se eya kronobo bia na ebekoso ewo nkran pipni mantem hanom Adwoa Munam intelligence-led operation so a police intelligence directorate headquarters for Enquires. No mu chema yade asese ni do matimi akosi anokwan. No mu di statement yi ebetu a Facebook page ne so e okuta sabo so me ne de to so ye dunum e won fimpi mienu ne aduonu num numu ana mu chema yade a mberema num ombomoden a e ye hotel no wala bade omo ye omadwen se omo ba kobokro no e ye owura bi ono mfri oman Ghana mu a ono te cantonment ho ana komo kobo ne krono no no mo bomoden a edi Toyota Yaris yi bomoden akodu bia ya eye merima num yi ewo na omuhu sa police for eya ben ho na no mo bo modin aso mu tututuo e de abo ya police for na police for so ye so mu tututuo ni bi eno nam so ama police officer ba akodi etuo no etimi kan ne nan san so anana basa ho no baby ombo modin ade ne kwa ya sabi omu chema sese de ne ho to no ye papa na police for etututuo na na chese ye suspect na mu mienu eye etuo no etimi eka om no mo de om kodu police hospital na doctors for echemu se omato anananom ewo nsie do na mu miensa de eyade omba omodin ha etimi edwane ye na mumomu ye hwehwemu so monsa ebetimi aka wom na mpanifo achiremu abrom kodu na cheso muhu eye pump action guns eye mienu sanso ana mobile phones miensa bansre ne niema pie keka ho mu chiremu a ni na aka niema na aya akronfo no ebo modin ase na kombetimi e de akeka niema aboani etimi akwakowia eye owura yo from Ghana mu ono te eye cantonment no na Ghana Police Service HMA ya de omo bomodin ase eye tememfo no boni bia entimi enka wom no mo nso bomodin ase nipa miensa na adwane no omonsa ebetimi aka wom
enti we komo kwa akobokro no kofi boy na pe wo mo pictures no ene bansana na esan wo no mase o mayi ato no fato Facebook na Ghana fo mehwe bi ne hu hia aha we ni yetu a na mo ede kwa akobokro no mrante wanini mlantie ni we no mkọ boss omkọ akọ bokro no cantonment amekese posifo ekumu mienu a miensa na aka aha bansere ni we ne ball machine omde ebokọ bokro no we utunu tuo kura nka
no nti no ma yi ato nti na police fo ne to ye na etimi ka wo mo no
we eka ho a na omde akọ bokro no omotivate Toyota Vit ni bim no mekọ akọ bokro na menim de ntia nansen akro no bone agudisem na doso omai mu dodo I say eya bore yenso eya je ensem kura debia da na kwabra ne kobok motumi akwaje bansere duro kase ntisi abomasene yatumutu enkamo
na kwadwo hu se bansele kwanka bomasa nka police fo du nkoma yira
police fo no se bi ho no ma omani adion nya omunya nam ho kwa o
na akọ nam ho kwa
ho bambo akọ mu adwuma de okoye bi ese obo ahu
ye beku ato ate
ese o mampa botumi ne nyame di wani ma na se wo me nyame nso de a fa ho adwen because se onu no wanku na onu nyanwa
obeku tunsu dwari ndro
na ma wapom waposo no waposo botu kura na uhura na wapete na eja akire din sika yanko yanim yanko piem e wo Upper West Matenim na eye odusuani a enche kura oba be wie school oye form 3 students ko wie kura omko school e wo wa TI Almedia Senior High School num ye twene aka ne se wa Amas na meke se abofra ba ko be oda se no sempa ba mama hwe anenkwa ebetimi afri nsa ni nyane se ni nua ba ko no so form 3 oba modwen atwe 9 sekama e de awo ne femu se so wendrada anadwo no dansi ne hu de sie nyina ene sentwe forecast na o kiri mi se mentomo sika krabi ena so de ye efa adusuafo mienu entem na adusuafo ibakon eden ade Idrisu Ibrahim dodo asanam na ne se Lincoln ana bakon so ne den ade Hafiz dodo asanam na ne se ba yawa ono so eka ho bi omo nyina da eye form 3 student a enche bia na nkoma be wie school na ja o makwa akoto a wonom school esom na Lincoln no enka ne kirem se oye yatre agriculture science student ono no efri eye bu linga na afensunu nua ba ko a ono so kan wa ne dende Hafisi omo uchem zo no so firi boko na enka ne kirem a na abrantia ne dende eye Lincoln yi okofa phone na ode recorde ni nua Hafis it's a video and Hafis ka che ne se na Lincoln de wuye eni hwe hen mesra wada ye wuye de ense nye kwa emfa mre kwa mu wan kan kire me na o record me mesra delete video ni firi honom ana so masa we de min delete we de nkra nya ne betime delete no so masa pepa o so we mpene o so di agura ma wo won fisikan o so wo boa wo ye bema 29 ne ye hwe me kire o se me nso me ye bema mu a aya sa agro metumi o wontumi o betumi je me foku o boa akra ntumi je me foku I second kin paluta nyomo no ho apɛ na Hafiz eto ne botom sana unua ofiri bɔkɔ knife se ne botom na watwe aya ne Lincoln pe bia fo no de awa ne fi says ho na sika na kam ho na unua mo den fa mirika tente wotwane ɛna ntetemu nti adusuafo no kɔto de hye Hafiz se Hafiz wa wa ne sika na ne yenso enu bedi pa ho apɛ na omote etema police for ba mo modern abeso Hafiz na mekesi no jima na mra ɛno no edie na ne nua ba ma ne den ɛde Lincoln ne de mekesi odem ewo eye wa abale sabia opre ne nkonfise bia odase se ni in fact omo kiremu a emna 9 fo no wo ne saa no wantumi antunti edusuani oba bia no so tede yakobɔ mɔde yakɔbɔ no kokotwe 9 fo no edi free ne mfin mu a mekesi bia odase se no se mpabo anya dwuma de wa hwe ana abante wa ne den ede Lincoln no watime ahwe ne nkwana positive aka se tinzo mugusa nhwemu aboa se be ya saba sa wodo ekoso no eto betime twansi wenzi enkra wodo efiri Upper West Matenim ba wiai yade mo nkiremu esomo
yanto akase abone so ne engine mu ewon knan pimpini mantema na Accra Regional Police Command achi owura bia wedding frinshia na aduasansia no mu chema yade ofiri alataman ni mu ye Nigeria ni din eye Emmanuel Okafu Chukuma na yade akronobo no course ewo eya veno ewon knan pimpini mantema efa ye mobile money vendor bi ho no yade anane ho agimu na ye statement as superintendent ye Julian Obin on ye head of public affairs at the Ghana Police Service ewon knan hanom alibetuja hremu se eye Chukwumei ayado eye galamse operator no mbo modia etimiche no ewa abro akoye se okwa kobo eye krono no na krono no ekoso eye kwesi adaye ohomobobosom ni de toso eye aduasa ewa mfimpi mienu ni aduonunum ni mu ewa anumre beye no wotwempa mu pepepe ewa bra eye Chukwumei one eye Emeka ono ne ka ne ho mobo modia etna ye motorbike ayen register ye so ekoto she ye mobile money vendor yisu di etuo edisi ni so na ye Chukwumei yi bo modin atutuo ne mprensa ametuo no ba kokra timi bo eye mobile money vendor ye ne nan ba ko obo modin anu so suro say ye betimi akum ni ntino ode bag sika be 20,000 Ghana cedis ana ewom ana ode ma eye chukuma ene ne oka ne hu so momo modin anu omonye nkosa ne be ye ono so no betimi abone nkwa ho ban no nipa bi ono onu gina ho ndo onu timi bo modin ade akukuduro timi tie mu e ma nipa bi etimi bua ye no mo sa eye chukuma ene emekei ana omdi motorbike yi ekobo ho no ma ye chukuma yi omti mi eche no na abram ni chukuma no etwetwe nkomo no na chese oche mu se ya ade a waya na agin se nkakro no boyi nkobo wie pe osa akwa Nigeria esan so hia sika na ne ticket kra ye travel ticket no ya ade a wato dada ntinkakro no boyi na kadia ode akwa Nigeria na ode akwa gine ne ma asem na into ma bomodin ede na to police fo akachi HM say eye kutan sabosom ne de to so aduasa e won fimpi mienu ne aduonunum ni mu obesan so akogina court ne be yom betimi edi na asem no na police fo chema eye bag na omuji free eye chukuma ne nsem no na chese sika aka wom eye 9,000 Ghana cedis ana omode koma ye mobile money vendor yinti we ne nsem a e free Accra Regional Police Command honom abetoja
nene de awudie ne kro no na de in fact ana odin o Aveno Chrono, Cantonment, Chrono, Asante Mantemu, Awudie, Upper West, Awudie. Hey, Ghana.
Bianjoy.
Yako, Suga Crank, Rebedruho. Sikayan to a casabon so and I am Ramu or Mangana, Masabajumka cram. Nandra da, Naya Prada, and Yasamukumo Masabajum. A hot moya recessra, Nanin Nana same. A yadia, Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama, actually one. Ghana Medical Trust Fund. Dodo friend say, Mahama Ke. Eba beboa mapefoto e de aboa nipa hodo a wonom ewa yade akurankro kokram diabetes hypertension ne yade hodo na boa se be ya sa enipa wo sa tibia yi mu a omenye sika akra ne de ahwe wonom se be ya ahokire ba abusua no eho enkeka atwa mu na mena se mekọ ma se bedwuma ne ndrada na esese ma se bedwafo gitum ne be ye mra na sa foto no yebo na Ghana fo betumi aboa no kakra nkra ne nya sika de aboa ye no a wonom akaka atwa mu ne no ena dom koma na kire mu se wonom num enim de ntia aban ba ye odi bibia ba se Mahama case omu chese sa Mahama case no ase ne sen yefiri se ye kese no o ma no ye wo apomodensi achi ba ana ye kan se National Health Insurance Scheme e wo ho no modada enti adenti ana Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama si wani ku ayarefo na wodwene Ghana ni hu ye ampane no ana ampade a adenti ana apomodensi achi ba no wonhye mu kena na uma emu nkwanka ne na obaka kira ye nse wo sa koba kofoto foforo ba ne sa pe na health insurance a scheme no mechira pomodin se achiba na ugu ntia ba ne sa de omampani yi omono onya adwen kwa na no ana aka ne osofo no hwe omanga na nsase ne akwaye so oni ko piem o ya da mangofo ma se betwani den ade Samuel ebugina po kire mu se sa na montu a abani to nyamane mu de kure ne nyade a omobodwo so ko ne sem sei eto nsantwerefo anim.
All also aware, and this House has had multiple occasions to observe what I'm about to say and to debate this matter, the duplication of institutions. The Speaker, indeed, reputable organizations such as the United Nations, UNDP, WHO, IMF, have all decried the concept of governments, particularly from third world, Mr. Speaker, spending huge sums of monies, administrative funds on duplication of institutions. Speaker, I need not point out that when President Barack Obama came to our country, he reminded all of us that we should build institutions. Speaker, we heard from our friends. They are talking about non-communicable diseases. Speaker, the question which we have to pose, and I see that the Honorable Minister for Health is here. Speaker, why can we not review the National Health Insurance Scheme, the National Health Authority, to deal with this non-communicable disease? Because Speaker, is Ghana not tired of government after government, change of government, duplicating institutions, birthing new institutions, burdening our national exchequer on administrative funding, and so on and so forth? So is Ghana not tired of that?
Any awoti ye imashbe join the mad shawonom ewo damango. Onu kwayen so na kane no na ye oswafo a ohwe omangana ensase akwaye enafe efom agudie eso ne den edoni nyamfo Samuel ebu jinapo ene na woti ye na no wachi na oswafo no ehwe omangana pomudin so onu kwayen so na mashbe dwane ede mad shawomo sehwidwa boso ne den edoni nyamfo kobena menta akando ehuri jama mashbe dwam ene wo kire mu sei onim de entia domukuma ne kasa pisa efrise wo hwe Ghana mampeni sa eye Ghana Medical Trust Fund etwanitia e kan se Mahama Cash Fund na ebeboa pa adehye bi huna mane pa enya de na betumi akofo hawo kese e de aba pomogensi achi ba no ho nti ebe ya de na mo ye no munya akra na mo ka no enkwesi aga wo ye den kwa bre no o ma pass.
Ghana Medical Trust Fund is going to compete with the National Health Insurance Scheme. The Speaker, it is clear, and it was clear at the committee level, that this particular fund
DLFM
is dedicated towards the treatment of NCDs that are not captured by the National Health Insurance Authority. What is the competition? There is absolutely no competition. Mr. Speaker, we all know, and everybody here is one way or the other related to somebody battling with this type of chronic diseases. Mr. Speaker, I've heard members say the mortality rate attributable to NCDs is 40% or 43%. Mr. Speaker, the danger, and more alarmingly, if you take mortality rate with respect to children out of the statistics, we are hitting more than 65%. We are hitting more than 65% if you take the children away from the statistics. Mr. Speaker, in governance, you deduce solutions for challenges in the system. Mr. Speaker, if you ask me, we are hitting more than 65% if you take the children away from the statistics. Mr. Speaker, in governance, you deduce solutions for challenges in the system. Mr. Speaker, if you ask me as I stand here, the main challenge in our health sector at the moment is the NCDs.
Nia woti ye ono na yo swafo a ohwe o my Ghana ya pomoden eso ne den ede onimnyamfo kwabena menta akando na eno a kire ne masebadwam de ndura nyasem kumane ehuru pa na ne eno a kire kura na manhia not masebadwane akwasi kunadu eso ri gina kire mu sei sanhyehyɛ aban ye no odwene ho a wonte ase fisi wenti bedi gina we ndi gina ho ye wa pomodin si achi ba wo honom adenje na aban wo moa na sa sika wodo na foto na wo bɔ no momfa nka ho na eno no nya ne na so brane na motam sika foforo fisa aban se sa benti wo pese ya de foforo na Ghana fo ka sa aban foforo benti wa ya de foforo wo ya ne sa na Ghana National Health Insurance scheme no ugu no M1 aban de wuye any pasha hefa. Honestly, the same say.
Our brothers talk about trying to provide a fund that will cater for, Mr. Speaker, the young men and women in this country. And they call this, Mr. Speaker, as a new sort of social intervention. Mr. Speaker, what social intervention takes another social intervention in implementing it? You are doing a fund that is going to take another insurance to go and fund that. Mr. Speaker, are we doing secondary financing or secondary insurance? Primary health care, Mr. Speaker, is another policy I know they will bring. That is also going to be financed by the National Health Insurance. Primary health care is in the range of trying to promote, prevent, and educate one on lifestyle, and also to be able to reduce the incidence of cases that will rise from the primary treatment areas to the secondary and finally to the tertiary, where we intend wanting this trust fund, Mr. Speaker, to go and cater for. You are depriving the primary. Where lies, therefore, the intent of this bill? Mr. Speaker, because it is only going to increase the incidence of the cases that cannot be catered for to rise to that occasion.
Any auti ye ukopie mu ewa mention not about to pesu aswa ono na ye wono mrahye bedwane ne den ede onimnyamfo akwasi kunadu na ne kwakra mu no ene dom kese o masebadwam wono mpa no dine eye onimnyamfo Mahama Ayalega Sori Jan wo kire mi say in fact de maka ne nyina ye de nanso nya de ombefa efri say be na aba ne de aba ne beboa Mahama ka eye transfer ne de beboa pa ne senti Mamma de answer will be a crank ramran and pay man the power memory see a bois. Let's do baby, Ubinya crown cryer than a watch in Nessa Bambo for 2 bois. I didn't name day now so that ye.
I agree that we could also just say that it is one of the diseases that should be taken care of by National Health Insurance. If we take that approach, it may well be the case that National Health Insurance will end up spending more than 20% of the money to take care of them. If we take the approach, then why don't we just add it as one of the diseases that National Health Insurance will take care of? We will end up spending more than 20% of the National Health Insurance money taking care of those cases. So we talked about that and we said we don't want to use all the money in National Health Insurance to take care of those cases. But National Health Insurance owes a duty to also make a contribution. And it is on that basis that the proposal is that 20% of the NHIA fund should be dedicated to this trust fund. The rest will come from a number of sources.
Ani a woti ye ukopie mo mahye badwam a ono na ye dom kese no ba no dini ne den edo nim nyamfo Mahama Awalega.
Yantua Kaseboni so na Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Okru edin sema betuja chemu se eye dwumedi omudi omububu adan ewo Sakumo no Ramza site no ade omobo omodian etimi ma timemfo omo honom no emre pa esan so omo omobusum mienu so omo omodian no mo fanfri biaye omo asisisi omo dan no ewo honom no de nsemi etuja chirema ade omobo omodian hese nsase ahodo ankrofo asisisi dan wo so nsuo to na chesama Nhyiraba ebi te se Sakumo no Dragon ene tema no ade omobo omodian ejaye na emu mama sa hyase Adwoa no kitan sabosom ni de to so aduonu mienu won fimpi mienu ni aduonu num ni mu no chema ade omobo omodian ahese bibia betimi akoso yesan se o hwatema west municipality ni ma ade ensuo to ye Nhyiri etimi akọ no majapade bebre na ana etimi asai na mpanifo chema Sakumo no Ramza site ni namsunti no ana sa niema we ni na etimi ekoso na abro ni semchofo etwetwe nkomo ana minister Okru edi tudwa na ochemu se ya mamu mra wo se sefata mubetimi edi afiri honum ti mummodin ase mubetimi afiri honum mamu ntena na mu nka ne mo pe ya mamu bosum mienu ndia o so mmodin a na mutimi free o.
In fact, the last time we came, we said any concerns, should be channeled to the MCE. And so we gave them 2 months because they are already aware that we'll still come back to make sure that the remaining structures will be done. I mean, you can attest to the fact that the last time we're here and this time it's been 2 months now. So 2 months is enough for them, whatever properties they have or whatever they have in their buildings. I mean, it should be off so that we can demolish the site. I'm not sure there are people living in the building. These are all new sites. They are all new buildings. So, this shouldn't be a problem for us. Oh, why not? We are here to do, justice to that. And so that's why we are here. But today we are here. So we'll help them, end the exercise. Yes, complete the process.
Enwe Linda Kwele Okru edi tudwa na ochem se ye dwumedi omudi na yade aban etai omachi.
We engage him before coming here. And so, the fact that we are here doesn't mean that we've not engaged the president. We wouldn't come here if he's not in support. Trust me, we are resetting the country and all these things are part of the resetting agenda. And so we want to make sure that I even heard someone saying that this time around, when it's rained, the flood, there wasn't so many, flood in certain areas. And I say yes, it's because of the demolition exercise that is ongoing. The fact that people doesn't see it on telly doesn't mean that there is no demolition exercise ongoing. NADMO is also, handling part of the district, the constituency. So for the past few weeks, there has been some demolition exercise. Just
DLFM,
that, the publicity wasn't there. So people are not aware that there are ongoing demolition. But
Ene ya uti ye Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Kwele Okru nanu achi anohene ede Sakumo no Joshi nibote kaseti ejinesi abanesi so mo be mo wode atimi abubububu adan ye no Sakumo no Ramza site na wa bra baby to sa chimota de ade omayi omafrim.
People are coming, yes, and they will come. If it is, they will come. But then they know that the land that they are taking is not that me or my brother or this my brother that is fighting with them by his government. Yeah, no matter what we do, if not we, the government take it still. Is the building government will put it. Oh, I'm telling you, not we. You let the government take it from our hand. Still is building they will put up. To do what? To plant water of Achimota. Achimota reserve was not there, and then they sell it among themselves. Oh, Achimota side, it's not reserve land. It's not there that they sell among themselves. So you see that now before they get it. What is the past is the past. So as we have built, it's the past. We have to move forward. If that place is a past, it has passed. Now we have been there. It's a past. We have to move forward as per what you are saying. Achimota was a forest.
What's your full name again?
DLFM 106.9.
Ene ya uti ye nibote onu no ye ohene ede Sakumo no Joshi nanu achi na tememufo mu wo bia ya Ramza site na edwumadie no ekoso no edi nsem sei edi tuja
Omo ka so be try no so mo try impenyi se impenyi for asase no omo amoto no penyi for no bi eka ho enti enye sei omo a dai amoba ebi mkita site plan omo se ahan ne de mfimfi han so nya de enka because nso ni ya nyina ati ha eyira yi woni sei eyiri woni sei enti fifi ya nso nyini mpo ennu bebi ambu ha sei enyini mpo ndu ha sei da enti samu se Ramsey asa han ka Ramsey no nso yira ma ha enti fine mo ji asase ye need to know asase ho oh we bia muntu ye betu enti wo ba gidigide o si meje menyame bi en na ye best enya best oh muntu make me ntini gasa muntu enti wa be ye menyame gu at this time of the day me kwanya dan we na me ni me ma en menyame ko me ma o me yetre ba penyi na ba we ni de she me chi pene wa
we will vote in this now see election 10 us again so we will vote again make do it they want do we will not talk anything again we finish our problem that first you go check go vote again we say yes we go vote against this you next for they go see I be delegate I be full delegate I be a delegate this time we go vote against them I think they are doing no good madam they are doing no good
yeah no damasibon no one no for me mamutin ya bia ne nimbe twa ga sita frata ma ya chate ni ma ko timo ya je ni ma ma tu ya je me e wa taji wo bla ni wo ta frata ni wo ba na pay go pay road bla wo ma ta me pay road go bla na pay wo ta frata asante me o je amenta god ameyi wo god ni no mi no tani wo abefe wo ni asagala mse mo ya
eni ya uti ye eyetimemfo masisisi omodan ewo ya Ramza site no wo sakomo no
yantu akase bone so ne yenyina mu ewo court nsensem na Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ebaye ena wabete ekuo bi a edi anda wonu so operation recover all loot tene de wadi Ghana sika wabo man kro no amuso pagi se twe ya je sika na eja man yakoyanim ewo mponto mu na abana da etwa mu etimi etam akane oswafo no ye omangana photo samfo no na hwe sika sem suom the den ede kwabena dofo ene nipa makoma nso e kan ho kogina court ekire mu a wanu mutumetina ase ema banks sika krabia hodo bi agete pansam wo man mu a wo madi musika se to ma man egukwa ne senti yefo mko gina court na Ghana yenye sika evenfiri wono musem sika no omadi nso a wono mfimfama no manye sika emfamo oman eho bra ne no na asa beto dwa ekire misem Attorney General na bedi akire Dr. Justice Sremusai Endrada Orden Krata Bonten say yanka ncha Ghana for say asama ekọ court emfimpim yenu ne aduonu no mu no se de Ghana ban atumi atena sa adwene wahunu se da biom wa fale no le prosecute ene tirese asem no aban no na ne nye hu bio ton 10 time okwaduro Dr. Kwabena Dufo wona wo kro no osime poba bi kwatena kram na nka na ekiremu a empanifo ekiremu o entansa hodo a wonde to aka na osofo no hwe omanga na sika sem so Dr. Kwabena Dufo so no sika no ne ajapade ahodo na maka saira no watuma nyemo ha nchiche mbed said dusia 60% ntini we no omani yedi akire kura 40% na aka na yede ehu hia nti we nye abane nye interested bia nti watwam kram na no executive director Edema Media Foundation for West Africa ne den Edi Suleiman Abrama wakasa akirem se abanlo ye penin enti mu ampa mu na munie mo ka kire manga ne se mo be no operation recover all loot obi edi Ghana sika ka prempo a mo beje de amai enti eni ana krokro de dwon enti se motuamam ne so obi edi Ghana sika na se otuam ha mo gichemu aduosia 40% ne yenye ana o kirema we be sha foforo nkran mo modin abokro no wo man yimu nti ade a wo ma ye enya de pa sabe obi di Ghana sika na se ye gia adenti ne yanyine nyina yakwaje ha mo gichemu aduosia na de aka ne ye jai o kirema ba ne se pe na sa Ghana mampeni bo sho ye ne amene mdukuri no sa operation cover all loot no o kirema eye settings nkwa
a situation where the AG says I believe on this matter even if I proceed there's no way I can convict and be able to recover the resources and under the circumstances whatever this person has offered we have accepted it. But if you look at the letter yesterday, that's not it. You know, it concludes by, as Martin was saying, it concludes by saying that this is not to say that there was no wrongdoing. And I'm happy that someone like Martin was part of the oral committee. And oral, we were told, is Operation Recover All Loot. I don't think it was Operation Recover Partial Loot. And I think if we are going by it this way, as I said yesterday, if I misappropriate 100 million cedis or something to that effect. And then in the end, I know that the system is said that if I put forward even not 60%, but 70% of whatever has been taken, then I'm going to do away with the 30%. So the example that I said, if it involves 100 million, and I know that if I manage to give out 70 million, I can keep the 20 million CDs for free, then that's an incentive to engage in all manner of things. National service, the agency
DLFM 106.9
over 500 million. Assuming we are told tomorrow that the people involved have agreed to maybe bring forward recoveries to the tune of 70%, and therefore they should go away. What that means is that if indeed the amounts that the AG quoted are something that we should go by, what it means that for every 100 million out of that 500 million, somebody is keeping 30 million. So in the end, people can return about 350 and keep 150 million. If I stole or I misappropriated state funds, or if I'm in charge of state money, and today I decide to use it to build 100 estate houses, in the end, when I am caught, all I do is make sure that I'm able to present about 70 of these houses, or even if I want to go high, I can present about 80 of these houses to the state. Then the state says, well, we've been able to recover even more than the 60% threshold. Now we've recovered 80%. Now I keep 20 houses to myself. Is that the kind of country we want to build, so that it is okay to steal or to loot or to misappropriate? If you are not caught, you go away with it. If you are caught, you refund 60 or 70%, and then you keep the rest. Is that the country? I mean, is that why we are involved in all this fight against corruption and so on and so forth?
I into Omano send ya pay who any. Say ya see ya kun atore kasa so she prane kan se a. Next will be Sikafa and Sasa na yagina jimo hamuji chemadu na de aka na de omfa de a. Na we de nyamenu mu kure ni prane kan na de enya de oman. Ye betuma ya ho hwe kra. Na ne a wuti ye ono na executive director Edema Media Foundation for West Africa. Ne den Edi Sulemana Brema na wote ni nke we ye nyina we so e na madwenkyere ne monitor. Na yemfa enso mo na mehwesem ngofa asefo na ba Sikapa nkofo no maba we every master plan adwini akentampo na okire mu say oh champion o se ka se bone mu ade pan de aka na de menkan maka che mo de amanyosem ba na de amekan bi ko ha nya amanyosem dollar ya je wa je na okire mu say so what is going on in Ghana? Hey, they are killing us too much o se kum ne do so do da bia de mu kum nimpa okro ma aden o hwe life edi free eye Christian village achem water me wafa asem chiao sanso ena ohene nana mensa jebi no kire mi sei memamo aha o say de abonefo sem no ano aye den pa o anyanyan dodo o se eni ayanyan pa o me wafa si wutitwi pa o eni ayanyan dodo eno kra pam Abbas Austin for na no kire mi sei boys ewrade moaye na yehuna mane for na na di free tema community 23 kan meda say Sanso na nana akua mo abo atense kasem ne mo de pa fantastic ne mo de sano manam na owodanso man asore dan ho meda ase de aka no meda ase o sem pipo mo san asore nyankwa bio na esi amawu on we free Richard Mendo chem say o manya ha Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ne Adwoa Agyei Sikapa se kasebo ne mo de mo nyina mo na mo adwumaden pa na opaya asem papa yenso ye pewa asem ne ye do pa ye nyina we tena kasebo ne mu nukom say pon ne yenkoye ba bi kura sika na meboa
no.
So when him as usual, ana kilantria. I DJs gibi di biaba, enti yanka ho asema, wan hwe ni ya na ye pon a ya so akoye hye. Ti sade ye tie no mom wa ye na kofi bua me ne DJs gibi na wafasi ye hwe nom. We ye birthday a free. Mr. Joseph Tiama ana afenso Mrs. Cecilia Amakumsin. Enchen edema ombaba ne den edi Beyonce Tiama. Na Beyonce Tiama no owo United States of America. US memu na baye owo in fact obo adwumaden ye panti ene na wofo a Mr. Joseph Tiama ana afenso Mrs. Cecilia Amakumsin se me wofa se Beyonce Tiama omodo papa yankopon nya okese wate ompagya o emfamfra adumu nkwa adumu no nya okese pa United States of America wo no omobo mpa ye se Donald Trump so pamo a yankopon mo na nifraye no nsi na ni kura mani hunu hwe kura bi okura Sabayo beja no abo adwumaden anya sika behwe fie ni sente ne happy birthday ekode me wafa se awuden e de Beyonce Tiama wo United States of America ifiri papa and afi ma menkyerem se mfa woda kese we yem fam kase abo no ye de asi emu semufo no ye Maze Mebel antwene se mu e de ema yen kofiti ade ekopie mu e wo Facebook and afi so YouTube makase abo no wonya bi ehwe ye echinchim efre ne froma edesum ye hwei akenka fo ye sin kunwa beso mo no edi amagye so ye wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene ehunso mpene me ne mo fa se ba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
memla ne ba ko ne ye kan sei
Twasuntana
Alhaji Abdul Twasuntedi hieni ya ko no hwan na e ba
Nana Jwasiuki
one hwan
sexy journalist
ana afi
Kwame Efum
papa no na Adwoa tena se radio no wana aye den
wana otoy
na so enya den
wode
wodo nsa kan ya chi udadua emra ene ubedi se de ye den ete wo se Adwoa ni masa na de ba ko manage ne ho so kofom ne wa basoro ohuri ne wa pete ne ba bia gi se gbuha dodo na bonam na ne so ye den Michael Jackson manem la ne na yenko
achire mu hima enfifi mu hima enkacha hima radio mu ya santua achire mu hima Michael Jackson
pa to papa no ye ma mu nyina monitor adehye
Midimafo pokwase Nhyiraba Accra Midimafo pokwase Nhyiraba